If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Ukanrat Kesangma ula Plie Patba ya ke program Lieng ban kyntiew ya ke ni ke kamelek kai Lieng lane ke Meghalaya Rafting hapo keri Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society ha Whitewater Umtham Bhoi District.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Meghalaya Ukanrat Kongkal Sangma ula Plie Patba ya ke program Lieng ban kyntiew ya ke ni ke jingil akai Lieng ke Meghalaya Rafting haga distrik Bhoi kata haga Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society ha Whitewater Umtham ha Bhoi. Kakenhuan jang Bhoi Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society kadi kakenhuan kabla treshit ham ban kyntiew ke kamelakai sports Lieng mentala bun snem. Kabla longru kerensan ke bekerpang na kebenta ki samla ki beransap ha ka kam Lieng ki balak bene shim bentah ki lumpung elakai ki belong sabar ke jela berwat sabari rukumju. Dangshan kejinya kop Lieng kabala benanam kabala tip kum ka Megha Kayak Fest kabala long Umtham ha ka snem balalet ha kabalawan beneshim bentar ginong Lieng ki benanam na kiwi kiri. Bad ha ka ni ka kenti na kaliang ka sarkar jelaru kalashim kya ban kentiew ya ka ni kejingil akai. Hagini kesni bela Plie Patba ya ke Meghalaya Rafting lawan banedan langru daga Director Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs kejela ikong Isawan lalu yang tak kejingin dan rengkat ikong Magdalene S. Saukume MDC ke Umsning u Arpit Upadhyay u Deputy Commissioner ke Distrik Bhoi lembat kiwe-kiwe. Habakran kini kesni Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan pau kejing kemen ban saki dalaki kemat ya kini kejingil akai kabadai kejing Lieng ha kababun kisamla kentai bat senrang ke shimbenta ban peni kisap jongki padula airu kejing ro ya Ian Vincent bat ke Sheila Vincent ke beri kitrai jongka Whitewater Village ke bela shim kya shisha ban ai jingkai kisamla bat ban kentiew ya kene kejing akai ulong manakaliang ke sarkar jelaru kala saki ya kejing don kam ban kentiew ya kene ka kamil akai sports kam taman ai rensan ki khun samla don sap banang pentebit cucu ilade ha kene kejing akai kenang bagian yo alat ban mi kemat yala ke jela bat kari ha ki lumpung ilakai ki bahe na kaliang Ian Vincent ha bakran ha kene program ulapan pau ba ka jaka ai jihikai nya Lieng ha ga Whitewater Village kalala shisha ban ai jihikai ki babun ki khun samla khamtam ki balala ru beneshim benta ha keleng bat banwan ra ru ikanam bat kuburam deng ba ki jingjob jongki ha ki kerdan boper.
You can see behind me here we have a very natural flow of the river, which is something that is very unique and one of a kind, in fact, in the entire country and maybe in one of the few in the whole world. Hence, the potential to really promote this in terms of sports and also in terms of tourism is really, really high. And this, of course, has been initiated by many individuals in the past many years. But there has not been any support from the government in the past many years. But recently, the government has started to recognize the work that they have done, and we are now really supporting them financially to ensure that we can take this to the new level, where not just it becomes a sport for adventure sports, but it also is a sport that has got a potential for us to get medals in the national as well as at the international level. And apart from that also, this could be an area of very high-end tourism where people could actually experience the flow of the river and really experience the rafting and the kayaking that is possible in this kind of streams. So that's really what we are here for. And I really thank all the people who have taken the initiative, and I wish this program great success.